we're going to do the most epic, the coolest, the bestest unpacking ever. Aren't you exaggerating? Just wait a bit, and you'll see for yourself. It's sweet and mysterious. You can't even imagine what's inside.
And I've got it right here. Check it out. It is so big and so bright. And there is something cool inside. Oh, I'm so excited to see this chocolate surprise!
Wow, it really is huge. See? Told ya. Let me come closer. Susie, hurry up. I can't wait any longer. Let's open it up right now.
Oh, this sound is so satisfying!
Open the egg! Open the egg!
Guys, be patient. Let's see what's on the other side. Right here. So we'll either get common, or rare, or mythic, or legendary surprise.
Sue, it doesn't matter how rare it is. What matters is what's inside. I hope it's sweets. Lots of sweets.
Okay. So, the moment of truth. Here we go.
What if it's a new dollhouse? Please be a dollhouse.
And this is… it'll help us find out how rare our egg is. What's next? Wow! A blind baggie! And it's quite heavy. And the next package is even bigger. I bet there's a lot of cool stuff inside. Finally… oh! A mystery egg! So cool! Alright, so that's all the blind baggies we've got. Let's open them one by one. How about we start with this one and…
Sue, wait! Let's not open it yet. What if it's not cool at all?
Sammy, come on! It's impossible! And… wow! Legendary! How cool is that?
Yay! I knew it! Woohoo! But what does it even mean?
It means that we've got the rarest egg ever!
I like it!
Time to find out what does this baggie hide. Sam's gonna love it! Sammy, look at this yummy squishy!
It is yummy!
Sammy, what's going on?
I found another candy bar. See? You know, Susie, I still think there are sweets inside. Let's open it and check.
Sammy, no! These are squishies, I promise. We can probably say that they are healthy candy.
Yeah, a candy you can't eat. Actually, all sweets are healthy. When I eat sweets, I feel happy. And it's good for my health. This one is heavy.
But too many sweets are bad for your teeth and tummy. And you know that.
Yeah. Oh, Barbie!
Sammy, I've got an idea.
Wow, sounds awesome!
So, what's inside the biggest baggie? Let's see. Wow, it's a dinosaur! Guys, have you ever seen a dino squishy like this? Roar! Anyway, it is time to open the last baggie. Huh?
Sammy, you can unload it. Yay! This egg will make our store famous. Heavy. I need to start going to the gym. Hey, come on! I have nothing to do with this. What? It was your idea. Sue!
You scared me. I thought it was gone for good. Anyway, let's finally open it and find out what's inside. Oh! It's a little choco egg, Squishy. So cute.
Sue! You have ruined our chocolate egg business! How could you?
But look at how many squishes we've got now.
Fine, I admit you are right. These squishes are awesome!
Guys, if you want to know how to make such an unboxing set, stay tuned! Okay, are you ready for some crafting?
Sue, hold on! I've prepared all the materials and the outlines! Here you go. Please take them fast.
Aw, thank you, Sammy. All that's left for me to do is to color it.
I even brought you the markers you're gonna need. Here you go.
Thanks. That's so kind of you. Now I'll color the inscription.
I'll take this.
Hey, Sammy!
Huh? Sue, but I really need it. We are working on a project. It's awesome, I promise.
It is totally lit, really!
Gotta go.
Well, I hope the project is really cool. And I will have to use the markers that are left. Oh well.
Hey, Sue, we don't need this marker anymore. You can take it. Okay, what else do we have here? Wow, what a choice! I will take...
No way! I need them all!
Hey, it's not fair! Sue, the egg has come alive! Run!
What's going on here?
Whoops! Oh, hi!
Sammy, just grab it and run!
Okie dokie.
2 against 1? Not fair. Okay, I can still keep coloring. We need to speed things up. Bibbidi-bobbidi. Wow! That's much better. Just look at this awesome egg. It turned out great.
Oh, my feta! This egg is so cool! But we didn't waste time either. Barbie and I made the other side.
Whoa, that's amazing, Sammy! So bright and neat. Well done! Now we'll just fix these 2 sides together, and this part will be ready. It is high time to make the squishies. Are you ready? Let's do some coloring first.
Made the other sides again. Great job, right?
Yeah, and right about time. You are the best helper ever. Let's attach these parts to each other. Sticky tape will help us with that.
Check me out. I'm a cloud. Whoops, I'm a slime again.
Here comes the stuffing for our squishy. The more we fit in, the better. Yay! Our first squishy is ready.
The level of squishiness? Great!
Oh, Sammy, you've made the second squishy. Well done!
Oh, Sue, you gotta be more careful with slimes, you know?
Oh, sorry, I didn't know you fell. I'll be more careful next time.
Good. Now, let's pack our super-duper squishies. So, all we need is paper, stuffing, and sticky tape. And we can make loads of squishies, right?
That's right. By the way, guys, such squishies are super easy to make.
Oh, I already have a business idea.
All right, our first blind baggie with squishies is ready. Let's move on to the next one. This time, we'll start by coloring this little Dino. And the eye, carefully. Whee! Aw, you are such a cutie.
Don't forget to cover it with sticky tape. It will last longer that way. Here you go.
Actually, I've already done it. But thanks for reminding me.
Already done? How did you do it so fast? Wait, where is the Dino? Huh? Ah, help! Dinosaur!
Sammy, you're so easy to scare. It's just me.
You know, Sue, let's put our Dino in this bag. Pretty please. I feel uncomfortable when he's here.
Okay. But I still think he's kinda cute. Ta-da! Another blind baggie is ready. And finally, let's pack this chocolate surprise egg and seal the bag. Alrighty, all our little surprises with squishies are ready. Let's put them all in one big beautiful package. And done! Well, I think we did great today.
You bet! The best egg with squishies!
Why don't we take a closer look at it?
Yay! Let's do that!
I think today's unboxing was very cool and exciting. What about you, Sammy?
I agree. If you do too, guys, subscribe to our channel.
See you soon!
Bye-bye!